This is a new 2014 Ford Expedition EL. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, internet connectivity, electric trunk, leather seats, heated rear seats, power folding mirrors, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital radio. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Ukiah Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1170 South State Street, Ukiah, California, 95482.